My boyfriend works at the hospital, and he sent me a picture, and he said, this thing is just getting worse by the second. And then all of a sudden, by about noon, I guess, I don't know, my time's a little off, maybe sometime before noon, it exploded. It was like an atomic bomb in the sky. It's sporadic. One home is there, and then 3 homes are gone, and then 2 homes are there, and then 4 homes are gone. It's just so bizarre. It's so strange. We've never seen anything like this. On the way out, we had stopped at the White Mountain Sports Complex by the schools. And I said, Dell, I want to get some video of this. This is unlike anything. And the sky was black and orange, and the clouds were like mushroom clouds of just, I don't know what it was. It was just like a horror movie. It really was.
I finally packed a small bag, even made some dinner right at 5. And then I went and jumped in the shower. My door was shut. My son said, it was probably about 5:20ish. And he said, Mom, what are you doing? It's at the Swiss Chalet. And he opened the door, and I still was in denial.
Stand by for public service. I can't make anything out your stand.
Yeah, it was just, I would have to say that part of it was sheer terror, because you didn't know, you just saw the smoke and you didn't know where the flames were. And then my son and my husband were like, well, getting into that river, you still, and I go, I don't know that, but that was just my plan. Like, I wasn't going to sit in my car and just burn to death.
My boyfriend works at the hospital, and he sent me a picture, and he said, this thing is just getting worse by the second. And then all of a sudden, by about noon, I guess, I don't know, my time's a little off, maybe sometime before